The BodyMed All-Terrain Knee Walker is a sturdy, durable, and comfortable four-wheel mobility aid that offers a smooth rolling alternative to crutches. This rolling knee walker prevents re-injury by providing you with weight-bearing relief that aids in recovery. With an easy-to-adjust steering column, you can customize this knee walker to your exact specifications. The BodyMed All-Terrain Knee Walker is also portable and foldable, making it easy to carry and store wherever you go. All-day use is possible with the adjustable contoured knee pad that provides best-in-value comfort and support that won't break the bank. With a lockable braking system, anti-slip grip handlebars, and easy-to-control dual back wheel brakes, this knee walker is a practical mobility solution for those suffering from foot or ankle injuries. Each knee walker comes with an Allen wrench to remove the lower bolt of the front axle, making this mobility aid easy to store or carry when it's not in use. Plus, you can keep your personal belongings safely stored in the attachable basket that is conveniently located within arm's reach. Its 4 deluxe, rugged, air-filled tires make maneuverability simple, no matter how smooth or uneven the surface. You are sure to enjoy reliable comfort wherever you travel with the BodyMed All-Terrain Knee Walker, designed with your recovery in mind.